Alright, today I want to show you the ceiling fan. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so we can do an unbox and install and show you how it works. Okay, today I want to show you this super cool ceiling fan I just got. Open it up and we'll see what we can find. There's obviously some instruction, manual information. Here are the fins and they come in black. You can put the black side down or a brown wood type panel side down. This looks like it's packed pretty well. Here is the cone that goes on the bottom of the fan. Here's the light cover that goes on it. Here's the main mechanism, and so that'll go down like this, and the fins will go in here and screw on. And there's obviously a set of hardware here somewhere. This is the piece that hangs it from the ceiling, and the cover that hangs it from the ceiling, and all the hardware. So we're gonna go get to working on installing this. Alright, now I want to show you how all these pieces and parts go together. This goes up in the ceiling inside of this bracket, and then this goes in and it is slotted so it won't turn. The fan won't turn. And then inside of that goes the remote control module, which hooks all the wires up. And then once again it gets covered by this, which has got a couple of screws right there to hold it. And then this goes on, and it's held on with a magnet. And then this goes on like that, which then connects into there, right there like that. And then the fan blades, they can be a dark brown, if you want to show them brown, or a black. And they just go in like that with three screws. And then the light itself goes in, and this connector connects to that. And there's three little screws right here. That gets screwed on there, and then the light cover goes on. So that's basically all the components that we need to find and figure out and put together. And so we're going to go do some final assembly here, and then screw this into the ceiling, I've got a nice big wood bracket that it'll connect to, and then you hang the fan, connect the wires and hang the fan just with this cotter pin basically. Okay, we've got this installed. I've got 4 screws into a wood backing to hold this in place. This just sits in place, and underneath it I've wire nutted white to white, black to black, and then I have my ground down here. I need to go put a wire nut on it, and then just the piece like this is going to go up and in right there, and then I'm going to put the cover on it and connect the light and be done. This is the antenna and this is the electric for the 2 fan parts, and I'll connect those 2 down through this cable. Alright, I'm not really too sure of the order of this, but this is the way I did it. I put this pin in and I assembled all of this and pulled the wires through it. And I did that here on the ground. And then when I go up to the box, I need to plug these 2 in, and I need to get rid of a lot of that wire. Then I need to run the ground wire. And this is a bit tricky to put in because the remote control box is kind of in the way. So I have to pull it out of the way and put this in and put it back in. I'll show you. Okay, so what I just showed you was all right, except for it was all wrong. I love doing stuff twice. So I need this lower pan cover on, and then I need this cover on that is magnetic to this cover that's going to cover that when we get up on there. So I lost and forgot and left all the decorative parts off, so I did it again. Okay, there's the bottom ready to go on. Here's the top. I've got all the covers on. Everything. It's looking good. I had to tuck the wires in and fuss around a little bit, but it worked. Alright, we got this installed. We got it running. It's totally awesome. It works on a remote. Let me go show you that. Alright, so to show you the remote, you can turn the light off. You can turn everything off from here. Turn the light on and off with that button. You turn a fan on, you put it speed 1 through 6, and 6 is kind of warp speed. You can leave it on for 1 hour. You can leave it on for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. So like it's got a sleep timer on it. There's just a couple of batteries in the back. They were pretty darn easy to install. It actually came with the batteries. So I got my light installed and working, and I'm happy with it. Once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so we could do an install and check it all out.